In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set or change the home page in Microsoft Edge. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the window. You'll see a set of icons there. What you're looking for is the three horizontal dots, often called the More or Settings and More menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main menu. From this drop-down menu, find and click on Settings. This will open a new tab or page inside Edge, dedicated to all of your browser's settings. On the left-hand side of this settings page, you'll see a list of categories. You may need to scroll a bit, but look for the section labeled Start, Home, and New tabs, and click on that. Now you're in the place where Edge controls what happens when you open the browser, open a new tab, or click the Home button. Let's focus on the home page. First, make sure the Home button is turned on. You should see a toggle or switch labeled something like Show Home button on toolbar. Turn that on if it isn't already. When it's on, you'll notice there are usually two options. One to use the default new tab page, and another to open a specific page. Choose the option that lets you specify a page. In the box provided, type the web address you want as your home page. For example, you might enter a search engine, your favorite news site, or any page you visit frequently. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct, since any typo will affect which page opens. Once you've entered the address, Edge usually saves this change automatically. But it's a good idea to click away from the field or press Enter just to confirm. After that, you can test it. Look at the top of the browser window for the small Home icon on the toolbar. Click it, and Edge should immediately take you to the page you just set. If you also want Edge to open this same page every time you launch the browser, stay in the same settings area and look for the When Edge Starts section. Select the option to open these pages, then add the same address you used for your Home button. And that's it. You've successfully set or changed your home page in Microsoft Edge, and you're ready to browse more efficiently.